Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video I'm going to talk about some merchandise that is now available for the Hot Rod Hoarder YouTube channel. You know, it's kind of a self-promotional type thing. I don't really do that very often, but I did want to let everybody know that this merchandise is available, and it's cool, it's simple, and it's cheap. So, you know, hopefully that works with my audience. That definitely works for me. So I wanted to do something that was comfortable for everybody. Nothing real crazy on these designs. You know, maybe somewhere down the road we'll do a little bit more intricate t-shirt designs or things like that, but for right now I'm working with this awesome logo that my buddy Michael Mathias put together for me, and he nailed it. I mean, it's exactly what I wanted. For right now, I'm starting simple, just doing some logo graphics. I've got t-shirts. I happen to be wearing one right now. It's got the Hot Rod Hoarder logo and then bigger logo on the back. I've got hoodies, I've got long sleeve shirts, I've got children's apparel as well, then of course coffee mugs, stickers, phone cases, and stuff like that. And I'll eventually expand that to include more, maybe some hats. I'm a hat guy, so I always want some kind of cool hat, and maybe some jackets like this. Who knows? It's really, having this logo and having this brand is really opening some doors for me. So being able to make a few dollars, I mean, I'm not going to get rich off of this, but being able to make a few dollars to help fund my channel and fund my life in general, that's always helpful. So, you know, if you like the way this stuff looks, check it out, see if we got the right size and the right color that you want. If not, let me know, and that's always something that I can change. I can add a lot of different things with the program that we've got here. So just wanted to let you know and give you a sneak peek of this merchandise, which is available now. Also, underneath each video you'll see my merchandise shelf. That's an integrated thing with Teespring and YouTube, and I don't have to do a whole lot with that. It just lives there. So if you see something you like, click on it, buy it, and I'll use your money wisely. I'll use it on a piece of junk like this. So you know, thank you for all the support for the channel. Thank you for all the views and subscriptions and comments and all the feedback that you guys give me. It really is appreciated.